Welcome to the SmartEDGE Resources Overview for owners, program managers, and office managers. Your business is already successful, and yet we may be still juggling too many balls. You've earned the success, but what's next? What does the next level of success look like? At third level, we've worked hard to develop the tools and technologies for the online learning for yourself and your key players. General managers, program managers, office managers, site managers. Our systems and tools are extremely cost effective, as little as $2 a day, and you can use the power of our world-class learning management system for your own branded content, courses, and staff training in addition to ours. So what is this next level of tech tools? Well, part of it includes an HR department monitoring your staff team online at every stage, your internal and external marketing plans and logging and tracking those, the risk management, Risk Assure Solutions application included for your facility maintenance and repairs of equipment, also your accidents and incidents, and your interior, exterior complete risk audit assessment. There's best practices templates in the SmartEDGE resources for marketing, HR, technology, finance, facilities, risk, and inspiration for your instant use and templating. Dozens of business and professional development, personal development courses ready for your company's branded university. And there's personal attention when you want it. There's an option for monthly, annual, or on-demand private consulting. You can always get a free demo online by clicking the button at the bottom or by connecting with thirdlevelconsulting.com, which you've undoubtedly already found. So, with the SmartEDGE resources, what does it look like? Well, when you log in, what we have for you is a complete branded template. I have here a sample company called the Power Company Demo and its logo. This would be your name and your logo. You can also see here that there is a menu on the left. You could also click the third level icon and that would give you a pop-up menu. If your screen's maximized a little bit, that menu actually disappears, but you can always access the menu for the various features right here. On your home page, which we're on right now, there's a variety of announcements. These were courses that are announced for your team. This explains the icon set up on the top left here, which I'll go through in a moment. There's a resources quick start video. There are KPI dashboard updates for the program and office managers, child abuse resources for staff awareness, reviewing the access levels. These are just some of the things that have come up recently. The 2017 to 2020 State of the Industry, Crystal Ball Trends, customer avatar marketing templates, and a marketing master template as well. So you can see that we're always improving and always looking at what's next. What are the next best practices? You look at the 6 icons along the top left here, and you're looking at our strategy. I'm going to click to enlarge this a little bit. The third level icon, as we talked about, is just the menu in case your screen is maximized. The SmartEDGE logo, SE, is actually a graphical interface that explains our entire system. And when you look at entire systems, you want to be absolutely sure that it covers everything. We want to be sure nothing falls between the cracks in using these SmartEDGE interfaces. So here's the model that you may have seen before. Management, marketing, people, technology, finance, facility, risk, and inspiration. And they build on each other like progressions. But we also know that in addition to progressions, there's also this nucleus, or this energy ball, so to speak. It feels like there's 18 million details and they all interconnect, which they do. We start with something simple like Manage Smart, and looking at the 8 steps successively that build up to successful management system. From there you can go on to all of the others. They're all set up exactly the same. The Market Smart system, the master course to marketing, is right here. And then as you click up through the 1 through 8, you can click on any one of the items and it actually gives you the videos and the key documents on any of these things. They're all hyperlinkable. You can rate yourself with a KPI performance dashboard. You can link right to the rest of the media resources and courses. And there's additional marketing services and marketing applications that you can look at. In addition, there's marketing service providers that we recommend that are partners of ours. You can go on to the next. They're all exactly set up the same way. The People Smart Success System, all 8 of the success steps progressively to have a world-class People Smart system. Again, you can click on any one. You'd get a video and the key resources. Rate yourself over to the right on your dashboard, the media resources, the courses, the Hire Smart system, the employee lifecycle system, and our HR and resource education service providers. So just know that this is how the whole thing is set up along this line. You'll see this duplicated again as I show you the rest of the resources. When we go to the rest of this, looking at the rest of the icons here, the gold, blue, and red is the Risk Assure Solutions. That's where you register and use that system. That application is ready for you. The lotus flower just happens to be the Transformation Institute. That's for personal development. The little green and blue leaping person is the new Leap Learning for teacher training, curriculums, lesson planning, a video library in many sports and activities, gymnastics, cheerleading, dance, swimming, special needs, and more. And the CRM icon is simply looking at the CRM of your choice. You may have a particular CRM that you're particularly fond of. Jackrabbit, iClass Pro, Studio Director, ThinkSmart, MindBody, and this links directly to those particular databases for login. Eventually there will be logins back and forth, and we'll have a lot of data that moves back and forth, whether it's curriculum in the LEAP, or whether it is in the third level, or whether it is in transformations or anything else. So you might ask again, where do we get these resources? Well, in the resource library, for example, I'm going to click into that right now, and you'll see where it says tags right here that all of your templates are here. Notice that there is the same management, marketing, people, technology, finance, facility, risk, and inspiration. You could click into Market Smart, and you could click into branding and business image if you wanted to, and all the documents there would come up. You can click on them, you can preview them, you can download them, change a logo, change the wording, it's yours. Or you can simply search. Let's say you were working for something in finance, but you wanted something on pricing. Well, easily enough, you can simply type in pricing, and every document that has to do with pricing is there. It's very cool. On the other hand, that's the resource library with all the best practices templates. On the other hand, there is the personal learning plan. And that is where you have your own personal catalog of courses, and you will see again, organized by management, marketing, people, technology, finance, facility, risk, inspiration, and your own company courses. If I was to click on, or if you were to click on People Smart, for example, the People Smart courses would come up, including personal organization, master course on people, dynamic communications. You could click on any of these and your courses would begin, your personal courses, and you can show your complete courses, incomplete courses, all of them, where you are, and just picking up where you were as well. So that is the personal learning plan. In the My Team segment, you would find people that are on your team. In this particular case, this Power Company demo has 12 people assigned to it that they've asked to have permission. They've got 8 there. They can add new members up at the top, and you'll notice that they can be assigned courses with the last date they logged in, the percentage that they've got already. You can assign courses to them. You can select everyone or someone, and you can assign courses to them and due dates as well. So it's very cool. In addition, there are their KPIs, so the key performance indicators for either yourself or any of the people that you have assigned to you. These are just samples, of course, but they have their own key performance dashboards if they're a program manager or an office manager, and you can keep track of where they are, their ratings on their items, and their action items. So this My Team segment is very cool, and the progress tracking is great as well. You can also use your own courses and apps. We do have courses and apps on here. There are templates that we are now using that are available to you for your own customized dashboards or for the employee lifecycle system, essentially your HR system, Hire Smart, youth training. There'll be marketing plans on here, financial analysis, technology analysis, and much more. So you will see that you'll be able to start using all these courses and apps as well. So that's the quick tour of the SmartEDGE dashboards. Thanks for your your patience through this. It's a amazing and stunning technology development in our field that will keep you ahead of the rest of the field in your local market area and far beyond. Thanks for joining us.